This is Daddy feeding Morgan. Oh, that's nice, babe. And that's Oscar choking somewhere down there. Who knows? Anyway.
Morgan. More worried about the dogs, huh?
Yeah. Morgan. Hey.
Want some food?
Let
go.
She gets a hold of this food and won't let go.
Let go. Let go.
Make her go ah.
Ah.
Say ah.
Morgan. Hey. Hey. Morgan. Ah. Jump it. I got that one.
Got that one. Way to be quick, Dad. I want the spoon. I want the spoon. Oh, no. Yeah.
What's the dog doing? Morgan.
Easily distracted.
You're almost done.
Morgan.
There.
Ah. Oh, there we go.
What are you doing?
My spoon. Let her hold the spoon.
You got stuff all over her.
Well, you're supposed to take it away from her before she gets it all over her, but she takes it out of her mouth for you.
You want some? Feed yourself.
Oh, good job, Dad. Good job.
Feed yourself.
She forgets spoons. I'll do it the old-fashioned way.
You ate it all, huh? You want to see the spoon?
Morgan, wait, bye-bye. Bye-bye. There you go. Bye-bye, Daddy.
Wait, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.